A step-by-step plan for getting the best traffic from social networks. In today's video, I'll give you a step-by-step plan on how to get the best traffic from social media. So if you want to get the best traffic from social media, then make sure you watch this video till the end. By the way, my name is Dmytro, I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. And so here is the promised step-by-step action plan. Step 1. Choose a platform and understand its goals. First of all, you need to choose a platform, social network from which you want to receive the best traffic. The most popular platforms now are Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. I advise you to choose the social network where most of your target audience is located and which you like the most. You spend the most time on it. Next, you need to understand the goals of this platform. By and large, every platform has a goal to make the user experience for its users as good as possible, because it will keep them coming back to this platform again and again. For example, YouTube wants to make sure it gives its users the best search results, and Facebook wants to make sure you like the things that appear in your news feed. If you comply with the wishes of the social network and give it what it wants, then it will give you what you want, tons of traffic. Step 2. Find your Dream 100 on your chosen platform and follow them. After you choose a platform, you need to find your Dream 100 on that platform. Dream 100 are opinion leaders in your topic who have already mastered this platform well. These are people who already have a lot of followers on this platform and a lot of activity on their accounts. The trick is that these people are already gathering your potential customers. You can come to their platform and attract part of their audience to you. Why Dream 100? Because I advise you to find at least 100 such people. You need to subscribe to your Dream 100 and follow each of them. You have to watch what they do. Because since they are successful on this platform, then what they do corresponds to the algorithm of this platform. You need to spend at least 10 minutes a day observing what your Dream 100 is doing on the chosen platform. What do they post? How do they get people to engage with their content? What paid ads do they show on this platform? Pay special attention to the patterns of what works right now and model it in your own content. This will give you an idea of what is working on that platform right now and what the algorithm on that platform is rewarding. Following your Dream 100 will allow you to keep your finger on the pulse of what is currently running on your chosen platform. You can at the same time model Dream 100 ideas and test your own ideas and compare what works better. In addition, you need to comment, like and interact with as much content as possible that your Dream 100 create, because this way you can attract part of their audience to you. And these actions in the future can help you make friends with someone from your Dream 100 and build a mutually beneficial partnership with them. Step 3. Create a publishing plan and publish content regularly. Before publishing content on your chosen platform, you must first understand what are the possibilities of interaction with your audience on this platform? What are the content formats? Which of these formats are more suitable for you? And which of these formats you can easily use? Next, you need to solve two important questions. First, how often will you post content? And second, what format will it be? Next, you need to create a publishing plan for yourself that will make the process of releasing content on your chosen platform a simple task for you, so that you can publish content regularly and consistently. Because the consistent and regular release of content will allow you to keep your target audience on your account on the chosen platform for a long time and build a good trusting relationship with these people. Then you need to regularly release content on your account according to your content plan and with the frequency and format that you have chosen. Step 4. Earn traffic on your chosen platform. After you start regularly publishing content on your chosen platform, you need to find ways that you can attract new people to your account, earn traffic. Ask yourself, how can I get free interaction with an audience of people who have already collected my leads? The easiest way to do this is to be regularly active on the accounts of your Dream 100, for example, liking and commenting on their content, so that their audience will pay attention to you and come to visit you on your account. If you build a good friendship with someone in your Dream 100, they can promote you to their audience for free in the future. This is also a great way to earn traffic. Another way is to find people who are also experts in your or related topics and have a similar number of followers on the chosen platform, and offer these people mutual promotion. I have given you just a few ways to earn traffic. In fact, there are a lot of them. You need to choose the ones you like the most and use them to earn traffic and attract new people to your account. Step 5. Buy traffic on your chosen platform. While you are earning traffic, you can drive the growth of your audience on your account and in your sales funnels with paid traffic. Most large social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube give you the opportunity to buy advertising from them, which will be targeted to a certain audience that you need. And with the help of this advertisement, encourage this audience to subscribe to your account or to one of your sales funnels. Personally, I see this effective approach in paid advertising. Stage 1. First, you show your paid ads to your Dream 100 subscribers. That is, those people who are subscribed to someone in your Dream 100 on this platform. And offer these people or subscribe to your account on the selected platform or sign up for one of your sales funnels. Stage 2. With the help of special advertising tools, retargeting tools, you track the people who interacted with your first ad, and segment these people into those who saw your ad but didn't subscribe to your account or one of your funnels, and those who saw your ad and subscribed. Stage 3. Then you create a new ad creative, and show it to those people who saw your previous ad but didn't subscribe to your account or one of your funnels. And you give them another reason and opportunity to subscribe to your account or one of your funnels. Stage 4. Based on those people who saw your ad and subscribed, you create a lookalike audience, an audience that is similar to your followers, in the advertising cabinet. And you show this audience your first ad from stage 1. With this approach, you will be able to get much better results from paid advertising and attract many more followers to your account and to your sales funnels. Step 6. Drive all traffic into your sales funnels and convert them into the best traffic. When you post content, earn traffic and buy traffic, your main goal is always to convert all of that traffic, all of that audience into traffic that you own, to your email subscriber base. To do this, you need to send all this traffic to one of your sales funnels, which will turn it into a subscriber base. In this way, you will be able to collect contacts of your potential customers, sell them your products or services, and send them into your follow-up funnels to sell them your more expensive products or services and move them up your value ladder. This is how you can get the best traffic from social networks and then turn it into customers and earn a lot of money. That's all I wanted to tell you today. I hope this information was useful for you and you will thank me with your comment. I wish you a good day and a great mood. Bye bye.